Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can import audio in CapCut for PC. So it's really easy and simple. So we are going to open CapCut first. Here you have to click on Start Creating, and then you will see this media option, and then you have this import option as well. Simply click here on import. If you want to import an audio, then select the file you want to import. So I'm going to import our audio file which is in .mp3. The CapCut promoted supported this type of format, so please make sure the audio file is related to this format. So my audio file is related to .mp3. I'm just going to click on the file and click on open. So as you can see, I have this audio file. Now I can use this audio file in my timeline as well. So I'm just going to drag it on my timeline, and then if I play, you can notice that audio is in the timeline. From here I can change the volume, increase the volume, decrease the volume, and also apply some basic filters as well. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.